Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on Long Lane or Stony Hill Road. This is what we call Old Stony Hill Road. No, this is Stony Hill Road and it's also called Long Lane. So we're going to drive up in the direction of Stony Hill Square. We're going to go to our area called, oh my gosh, I called it the wrong name once and a lot of persons corrected me. Old Galring, that is the correct name. I think I had called it Red Herring once, but it's Old Galring. So we're going to take a tour on, or this is Stony Hill, so we're going to take a tour through Stony Hill. But they call this road Long Lane. So if we're driving from Kingston over to Port Maria or the eastern parishes, you can take this road and it takes you all the way over to Port Maria. You come out at a place called Junction, and from there you can go to Ocho Rios, Port Antonio, that side of the island. This road actually leads you to the Northern Coastal Highway, which runs all the way from Port Antonio back to Negril on the north coast. So this is one of the main routes persons use to get to Port Maria or Port Antonio, that side of the island. As you can see, the bush growing out into the road, that's not supposed to happen. I have a program every now and then that they call bushing, where they hire people to go and cut the road banks, but not sure why this one is in that state. Maybe because of all this rain. It rains every day in Jamaica. This has been going on for the last 2 weeks. It's really unbelievable. As a matter of fact, you can see how dark this video is because it just rained recently. Okay, that's Old Galring there on the right that we just passed. It has a very popular jerk center. It has a bar. It has another restaurant. Very popular location. So we are on the road. We're heading in the direction, driving from Manor Park to Stony Hill Square. Now, Stony Hill Square is a small community. Has a lot of shops, supermarkets, restaurants, those kind of things. Everything you would need to support a residential community. As you can see, this is a very populated area, a lot of homes. Very large residential area. And as we go on Old Stony Hill Road, you're going to see even a lot more communities. But the popular communities in the Stony Hill area is Orange Grove and Stillwell. And we have videos up of both those areas, so you can just search the channel for those roads. Alright, so this is the route we would take, as we said, if you were driving out of Kingston towards the eastern parishes on that St. Mary and Portland. Very, very popular route. A lot more persons use this route than going through Harborview. But of course, that's going to change very soon because the Southern Coastal Highway is being built that will take you from Harborview to Port Antonio, and it's a very nice road. Very impressive road. So you can search a channel to see what the road is going to look like. It's still under construction, but some sections are finished, so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. But very, very nice road. Well, until it's finished, a lot of people use this route. Okay, so this is Stony Hill Square. As you can see, it's a very popular area. Today is a Saturday, it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. But between Kingston and Junction, which is the roundabout on the north coast, where it intersects with the Northern Coastal Highway, this is the largest town you're going to find between here and there. And as you go further up, you're going to have a lot of residential areas. So you find this is the main transportation hub for this entire area. As we said, a major transportation hub, so you can see all the buses. And of course, in Jamaica, the buses just stop anywhere. So you can see this bus just stopping the road, literally blocking the road. There is another bus straight ahead on the right that has just parked. And you see all the traffic having to go around it. The indiscipline on the Jamaican roads is like a next level. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, now there's a taxi that has decided he just stopping in the road and blocking up the entire road because he's waiting to either drop off or pick up somebody. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.